Hi guys, it's Franco. Thank you so much for letting me reach 300 subscribers. I am not gonna be able to reach it without you guys. It's a small step for us, and for those who are not subscribed, if you find it educational and at least entertaining, subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and put some comments in the comment section. I would really like to answer your questions or interact with you guys. I'll answer them as best and as fast as I can. So moving on. May 12, we had a major sell-off. Most big-time companies or big-time tech companies have a downward trend of their stock prices. Like Tesla is about $600 a piece at the moment. And Apple, which is a stable company, went down to $123, and now it's running at $127 a piece. So why did we had those sell-off? Because we have a fear of inflation. Our economy is a little bit unstable at the moment, and inflation is on the horizon, they say. So some investors want to have their cash on hand, take profits, and maybe buy a little bit lower priced security or stocks. Even the cryptocurrency. Oh my gosh, the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin went as low as 30K. Ethereum is about 2K at the moment, and Dogecoin or Dogecoin is about 30 cents from 70 cents at the height of 70 cents a few days ago. Imagine that. By the way, I don't really like Dogecoin, so don't. This is just because there's infinite amount of Dogecoin or Dogecoin, unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can find something else, but it's up to you. I know some viewers have some Dogecoin or Dogecoin. I cannot pronounce it for the life of me. But good luck with your investment. So, as the market slowly creeps upwards, I've been playing with some stocks, 3 of them, and I made a little bit of money, about $500 every week, could say that. And I think they're good companies, but do your own DD, okay? I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm gonna talk about them and how I played with them. And keep in mind, I'm playing with low amount of capital. My Webull account is only at 20 grand, and then my Robinhood is only shy of 6 grand. I have the biggest account I have, which is an investment side, Fidelity, but I don't really play buy and sell on that because it's an investment side. I kind of broke my sell button at that point. And the smaller ones I play with because I know for a fact, I know my risk tolerance, and I know I can lose that money with the stock market. But I'm willing to do that just because it's exciting. So if you want to know what I played with and what companies are there and then the results, stay tuned, all right? So, the first stock we're gonna talk about is Stock or Unity Software Company. So, what do they do? Unity is a platform that enables you to create or develop 3D games. Most of the casino games that you're gonna see in the casinos are developed by Unity or developed using Unity. Most of the games in the PC game too, like famous ones like Ultimate Knockout, Township, and Oddworld Soulstorm, is developed by Unity. And one of the famous ones that upcoming right now is Valheim. So what's so exciting about this company anyway? quarter, they just released their first quarter, first quarter, no, first quarter revenue, and it made a lot of hype. They made $230 million for the revenue for the first quarter, and it's like about 41% more than the same quarter of last year. But remember, last year we had a pandemic going on and everyone shut down. That's why their revenue was low. And a year ago, before the pandemic, the price for the stock is about $170, and now it's running at $95 at the last price earlier. I'm filming this Tuesday, May 25th. Alright, so what did I do? Like I said, I got two brokerage accounts that I use. My Robinhood account, which is just a buy and sell one, and my Webull account, which I do option trading. So on my Robinhood account, I first bought this at 20 pieces at $91.37, and then obviously I got a stop loss order. You need to do this if you're not a day trader, just in case it goes down, you still take profits. So I buy and sell, and then earlier I bought 15 pieces at $95.52. Now, in all that buy and sell one, I only made like $103, which is cool because like I said, it automatically sold my securities once it reached a specified amount that I specified. I don't know if that's a grammar check for you guys, but it's like $103. But I started trading it like the May 20th, so that's not bad for a side hustle, right? And what's the stock forecast on this company or the stock itself? And the stock forecast is $127. So you still have a lot of upside. And if you're gonna hold this for long term, I'm sure it's gonna go 200 plus within 3 years. Because Unity, like I said, is used on most slot machine games, on their graphics, on their games, basically. And more than that, they're developing games on the PC world. Now on my Webull side, I made for 4 days that I've been doing this, I made around $300. I think I'm gonna post my video right here, a short video saying, oh, this is $300 for 4 days, and you can see what dates I bought it and everything. Alright. Anyway, the next stock that I'm gonna talk about is Roblox. Now, I haven't really heard about Roblox for a long time. I mean, the first time I heard it is from my daughter. And it's basically like Minecraft, but better, because you got a little bit of more game options that you can choose from. You can actually sell something online, and basically the gamer can be an entrepreneur inside the game. And it's cool. I saw it, I glanced at it. I'm more intrigued on the stock price. Now, they just IPO'd last March, specifically March 10th, at the price of $70 each. And they already have revenue, about 920 million revenue last 2020. Keep in mind, okay, because everybody's at home, people turned into gamers, YouTubers. Like I did a lot of uploads last year, like almost every week. Now that I'm working, I got the military, this job, and very soon I got a new investment opportunity that I'm gonna show you guys or teach you. I'm really busy. My hands is full, are full. And this is a very volatile stock. Roblox, if you're gonna go into this, be prepared. And because I don't believe there's a lot of hype still. Whenever there's an IPO that just came out, everybody's buying it. They're predicting like a next Microsoft or a next, like, you know, a big time company, which is, it can be, but you need to let it subside. But like I'm doing, I have a stop loss order. Whenever I see an uptrend, I immediately buy it, and then after a few minutes I do a stop loss. And I made on my options on my Webull over like $200, $250 on the course of 4 days, including the weekend. Imagine that. And then on my Robinhood side, I made just about $50. I mean, it's not bad. I always promote slow growth. I'm not gonna be a millionaire tomorrow by doing this, but at least I have some incoming money, cash inflow, little by little. I don't believe on high risk, high reward, which is you're just gonna like do an option of out of the money, something like that. I don't. I want to take my profits in, even if it's as small as $20. But that's what I did. So I hope you learned from this video. And also there's another stock that I'm going to talk about, but it's not really a big thing right at the moment. It's Virgin Galactic. So Virgin Galactic, they have an uptrend just because they made their spaceship, or their vehicle, space, I cannot pronounce it with my accent, spacecraft, on orbit already. I don't have a lot of news on it, but I'm just playing with its stock price right now, and I've been having good call options or call contracts for it. So just check it out, do your DD, and I hope I help you a little bit. And then I highly suggest don't do options if you don't understand the risk, because it's very, very volatile. If you want just slow money, like $20 a day, just do buy and sell of stocks. Like I said, Roblox, you still have a lot of growth. They're predicting $130, $120 forecast at the end of the year. Nah, it's still a hype, like I said. So do your due diligence and have a stop loss order. And that's it. I hope you learned something from it. And this is Franco signing out. Subscribe to me, and good luck, guys. Bye.